Greetings from Karnataka. I am Pinky Kumari from Sri Jagadguru Renukacharya College of Law. I am here today to debate on the topic that the continuous lockdown has done irreparable damage to both student and entire Indian education system. I am against this statement. Due to the break of deadly coronavirus, Indian economy and social life of the people have been affected, but not Indian education system. Education system, it's not about any building of school or college, it's about providing education. Even in the lockdown, students are being educated through online streaming, audio video facilities. So it is better to say that the mode of education in this lockdown has changed, but education did not stop. If any of my opponent asks the question that people in remote areas are not getting educated through online streaming, I would like to say that the government of India is trying to provide education in remote areas through FM and even DTH initiative such as Swayam Prabha, which is being partnered by IIT, UCG, CEC and even NCRT. So even people in village areas being educated. In normal situation, students were made robot. They used to sit for hours and hours together at the same place, and it never mattered for the education system about the interest of education. But now we students are the leaders of our education. When we can control the number of hours we study, we can control the method in which we grab the knowledge through online platforms such as Swayam, Digital Library, EDX, Future Learn, BioJuice, etc. We have become the leader of our education. We can learn whatever we want. Now we have time to improve our hobbies. Lockdown did not stop the process of learning. Lockdown have not stopped the process of education. Education also include extracurriculum activity. If today we are doing debate in lockdown, this is an extracurriculum activity. Lockdown couldn't stop us, so we have not stopped in the lockdown, even providing extracurriculum activities. So it is better to say that education in the lockdown has not stopped. Classes in lockdown is being monitored by our parents. For school children, parents are monitoring what is being taught at school. This has made very convenient for parents to keep an eye on their child. And if we talk about our situation, we the youngsters, we are now able to take up courses from different university and learn how the education system of the other countries. We are able to grab the knowledge, explore ideas. We are able to take webinars from different places, which wasn't possible in normal situation. I would like to say that the lockdown did not stop anyone from education. It has just told us a different way and different method of learning. This was my conclusion. Thank you everyone. Stay at home, stay safe.